How to find messages notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click hub, and now click hub, here's it, and now click these three lines and then click settings, and here we'll find notifications, and then here we'll find messages settings. As you see here, you can manage it. You can manage private messages, group chats, mentions in chat, and anything you want here. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.